How to fix UtcSvc high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart the UtcSvc service. Sometimes, the connected user experiences and telemetry service may become unresponsive or stuck in a high resource usage state. Restarting the service can help refresh its operation and reduce CPU usage. If that didn't work, if UtcSvc continues consuming excessive system resources, disabling it can prevent it from running in the background. However, keep in mind that this may affect Windows diagnostics and telemetry-related features. Fix 3. Limit diagnostic data collection. UtcSvc is responsible for sending telemetry data to Microsoft. Reducing the amount of data collected can help decrease CPU usage. Malicious programs can disguise themselves as legitimate system processes like UtcSvc. Running a malware scan ensures that high CPU usage is not caused by harmful software. Incorrect performance settings may cause UtcSvc to consume more resources than necessary. Resetting performance settings can help stabilize CPU usage.